Hi everyone, welcome back to Vectrosa. A new semester is here, and I'm so excited to share how I'm planning and preparing for the upcoming months. This semester is going to be intense. I have 5 subjects to tackle and 9 final exams, including from last year. But with the right plan, I'm confident we can stay on track and succeed. So, let's dive into my semester preparation and planning process. First, let's look at the timeline. My Cat 1 exams are in February, Cat 2 exams in March, and final exams start at the end of April. Having these dates in mind is crucial to plan effectively. I've marked all these deadlines on my planner so I can stay organized and avoid last-minute stress. This semester, my main goals are 1. Score high marks in all my subjects. 2. Clear my 4 pending exams from last year. And 3. Stay consistent with my study routine. Setting realistic goals helps me stay motivated, and I recommend breaking them down into smaller, manageable tasks. Now, the most important part of my study plan, daily study schedule. I allocate 2 to 3 hours daily for current semester subjects and 1 to 2 hours for the previous year's exams. Weekly goals. I focus on specific chapters or topics each week. Revision plan. I've set aside weekends for revising what I've learned during the week. For tools, I use a combination of a physical planner and apps like Notion or Google Calendar to track my progress. Staying organized is a game changer. I keep my study space clean, use color-coded notes to separate subjects, and prepare flashcards for quick revisions. If you struggle with consistency, start small and build up your routine gradually. My top tips for success are 1. Start early and avoid cramming. 2. Take breaks to avoid burnout. Studying for hours without rest is counterproductive. 3. Stay motivated by reminding yourself of your long-term goals, whether it's acing your exams or learning a new skill. That's it for my semester planning and preparation. I hope this video inspires you to create your own plan and have a successful semester. Let me know in the comments how you're preparing for your exams. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Vectrosa for more tips and vlogs. See you in the next video, and good luck with your semester.